If you've been searching for Havawin, Jesvox, or Gevapex, you've probably seen a lot of bold claims online. Some people say they're amazing, others aren't so convinced. So, are these platforms actually legit, or should you stay away? Let's find out. The first thing you should know is that it's always important to do your own research before spending any money. A professional-looking website doesn't automatically mean a product or service is trustworthy. That's why checking real customer experiences is so important. When looking at Havawin, Jesvox, and Gevapex, pay close attention to customer reviews. Don't just read the 5-star ratings. Look at the lower-rated reviews as well. They often reveal common complaints, such as delivery delays, refund issues, or products that didn't meet expectations. Another thing to check is transparency. Does the company clearly explain who they are? Can you easily find contact details? Is there a clear return or refund policy? Legitimate businesses usually make this information easy to find. If these details are missing or difficult to locate, that's something to keep in mind. You should also be cautious of claims that sound too good to be true. Whether it's guaranteed results, huge savings, or promises that seem unrealistic, it's always worth taking a closer look before making a purchase. It's also helpful to see whether independent review websites or online communities are discussing these brands. A mix of positive and negative feedback is normal. But if you notice repeated complaints about the same issue, that's something you shouldn't ignore. So, are Havawin, Jesvox, and Gevapex legit or scams? Based on publicly available information alone, it's difficult to give a definite yes or no. What matters most is doing careful research, reading genuine customer feedback, reviewing the company's policies, and avoiding impulse purchases based on marketing alone. The safest approach is to take your time before placing an order. Compare different sources, verify the information you find, and only buy if you feel confident about your decision.